See this question. If the drift velocity of electrons in a conductor of circular cross section is given by Vd equal to V naught bracket 1 plus R by R, okay, the average drift velocity of the electrons in the conductor is what? Okay, so we have a conductor. Okay, we have a conductor. This is a conductor. Wait. So this is our conductor, and the drift velocity is given as a function of radius. Vd is equal to V naught 1 plus small r by capital R, where r is the radius of the cylinder. R is the radius of the cylinder. Okay, so basically, if we take a small radius and we draw a ring over here, okay, we draw this ring, correct? This is a ring of thickness dr, right? The ring has thickness dr, right? So through this ring, okay, through this cross section, the electrons that are flowing have this drift velocity. Okay, so the current density through that cross section will be how much? Through this ring will be how much? Current density through the ring J at radius R will be how much? NeVd, correct? So the current through the ring will be how much? Current through the ring. Current will go inwards, right? Current is going inwards. Okay, so the current going inwards will be how much? It will be equal to JR. Current will be Di, obviously Di current will be JR multiplied by area of the ring. Okay, area of cross section over here. So this area will be how much? 2 pi r dr. Okay, we find Di. So from here we have to find the total current flowing through this cross section. We have to find the total current flowing through this cross section. Then we can find the average current density, and from where we can find the average drift velocity. So the total current will be how much? I will be integration. Jr is what? NeVd 2 pi r dr. Okay, so this is equal to 2 pi Ne. Drift velocity Vd is what? Vd is V naught 1 plus R by R. So V naught R plus R square by R dr. Okay, we have this extra R over here. That's what we are multiplying inside the bracket. So we get, okay, we have to integrate obviously from 0 to capital R. So we get current will be 2 pi Ne V naught R square by 2 plus R cube by R cube by 3R. Okay, so this is basically R square plus R cube. This is basically 5 R square by 6. So I get 5 pi Ne V naught R square by 3. This is what I will get as the current. Okay, you can calculate this. You will get this value of current. So I found the current. So average density of current will be how much? J average will be I by pi r square, simple. So this will be equal to 5 by 3 Ne V naught. This is your J average. Okay, and we write this as Ne Vd average. Vd average. So average drift velocity is how much? 5 by 3 V naught, simple. So the answer will be option A, 5 by 3 V naught. Okay.